2-slide door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, a depth of 25.5 inches, height with caster wheels, we have 81.5 inches tall. Left and right slide doors. Included are 8 adjustable shelves, 4 to the left, 4 to the right. The measurements for each shelf will include 21 inches in length by 18 inches in depth. Interior dimensions, we have 44 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, and a height of 50 inches. LED strips located on the left and right corners. Coming to the right are 2 separate switches. Both these switches control the LED lights for the top and interior. Keys will be provided for lockup. Coming to the bottom is the temperature control. Coming to the back will be the ETL NSF certification along with the 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.